Hello, I'm Todd. So if you clicked on this video and started playing it, you're probably interested in getting a little information on possibly starting your own business or making a little side money on or something like that. But basically, the reason that I got into this is, well, I drive a local truck with absolutely no benefits and work 14 to 16 hours a day and have absolutely nothing set back for retirement. So I started checking on the internet to get information on little side hustles I could do to make some extra money so I could put back for retirement and maybe not have to work quite so many hours. And I came across this company that I've been promoting. And here recently, he just wrote a book that is addictive. I listen to it every day. But basically describes how he got from where he was to creating these courses that he does that entrepreneur shit scratch. I can go back and edit. Anyway, it tells how he basically grew up, or not, went from $500,000 in debt to running a multi-million-dollar agency, and to showing us how to do this stuff. It's the easiest way. I mean, you can get into it for I can't say next to nothing. It's a small investment in yourself, but nothing like going back to school, and it's stuff you can do at home on your laptop. Gain the knowledge of how to do it as you're setting your business up. I call it crown and construction paper teaching, because they do it on a computer, on video, so you're watching what they do as you can do it yourself, or go back and rewatch the video and implement it later, which is a lot of what I did. I'd listen to it going down the road, and then I'd go back later when I was off work and or had some downtime and start the process of everything. Anyway, if this would be something, if you've what we're basically doing is affiliate marketing, and they teach you how to run a digital marketing agency and a knowledge program. They got a couple different options you can choose into, whatever fits you for your personality. But if you'd like to get more information on this, or even just to order his book, it's only $29, and it comes with a bunch of added bonus stuff to help kind of start the process for you. I mean, what's $29 going to hurt? Might open you up to something. Anyways, if you'd like the information on all this, give me a shout, text me, or, well, I guess not text me, message me on Facebook or down below in the comments on this video, or I'll get back with you and we can discuss it. Even if you just have a random question, I'll answer it if I can. So, anyways, laters.